All right, good morning YouTube. It's Nick with NK Landscaping. Again, as usual, we got a nice cold day here in December, and we're gonna be doing a driveway job, little driveway installation. Kurt's getting some tools ready. I gotta go get the Bobcat warmed up. It's gonna be a pretty simple job. We're just doing millings. They're looking for an extra parking area. The only struggle is that it's been pretty cold for the past few days, so ground might be a little frozen, but shouldn't be too much of a problem. But as the there we go, a little frozen shut there, but I'll see you once we get on site. All right guys, we're here on site. Kurt's just moving this dog wire out of the way. That's something we got to watch out for today while we work. But this is a house we put in a bunch of work. There's a patio, a bunch of rocks and grading, but they need some extra parking. So kind of right here there's a hill where it jumps up, so they have a little mini excavator and they kind of cleared this area out. I mean, it's a tiny little guy, so they did what they could. And what needs to happen, I got to get this whole strip back. We're going for like a 30 by 40 parking area, something in the realm of that. That'll get us 6 inches thick with one triaxle load worth of millings. So I'm going to peel all this back. All the junk's going to go down the hill. So like I said, I want to get about 6 inches excavated out of here, clean all this grass out of here. We're going to compact it and then spread the millings in here. It's going to match the grade of the driveway there and then taper down to flat as we get into this area with a little pitch down the hill just to carry water away. So first thing I got to do is get this all stripped out, all the grass and stuff, and our millings should be showing up here pretty soon. We just need to get some room because there's not a whole lot of room in this area to work. So let's get to work. We're going to strip this and then Kurt's going to get everything marked out for me. So I've been leveling this area out. It's going okay. But this is the second one of these that I've found, and it's taken everything that the skid steer has to get them out of the ground. I need to pull them out because they're well above grade, but I don't know who put this here or why they put two of them here. But that is a massive slab of concrete. I hope that's the last one. That's ridiculous. So I need to take this and shove it down there to continue grading this out. Kurt, what do you have to say about that?
That's heavy.
That is heavy.
I don't know. I guess somebody really wanted a sturdy shed.
Why do people keep putting these in the ground?
Oh, man. It looks like there's more down there.
Well, luckily I don't have to go down that far, but that's got to go. And I'm hoping that there's not any more in here. Two's a charm, maybe?
What's this?
That's something. We'll find out. Well, we just got our nice frozen load of millings delivered. We got a nice big like 3-foot chunk in there I gotta try to break up, but that's just how it goes when it's so cold. But I wish I could have gotten it dumped in here, but this just wasn't gonna happen. So that gives me more time to massage this area. I gotta bring down that left side a little bit and bring it down at the driveway. This right side's looking pretty good. Kurt's getting my measurement marked out for me. We're going for 30 feet wide, 40 feet deep. So I'm gonna keep on grading here, and we'll get to it. All right, guys, check it out. We're done. I didn't get nearly enough footage here because all my batteries are dying in this cold. But we've ended up with a 33 by 33 Millings parking pad. It's about an average thickness of 6 inches. I know we didn't hit our 30 by 40. We actually went a little bit bigger in the width, so that took off a little bit of our depth. But looks pretty good. I was able to beat most of those chunks with the skid steer bucket. Still a few in the corner here, but I tried to keep those on the outside. But everything's been compacted. Just needs a couple good rainstorms. Millings really like the water, and with it being so cold, I'm not going to run their hose, but it came out pretty good. And now they have a much larger turnaround spot. I think they have plans to eventually put a garage here. So none of the Millings are on any fill material. That's all kind of down from that, but I think it looks pretty good. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was one of the last few projects of the 2024 season for us. I got a couple more videos with a couple more jobs that we did this year. But if you're watching this today, it is New Year's, and I want to wish you guys a happy New Year's. I hope 2025 is really good to you, and I hope we get a lot of work and make a lot of videos in 2025. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope it's going to be a good year. You see some stuff going on behind me, a little sneak peek of what we've got coming around the corner. We're actually going to be getting back into lawn mowing, so that's why we got that thing back there. That's one of our first lawn mowers. It's in for full service, so we can get it going for the new season. But yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next set of videos. And again, I just hope you enjoyed this holiday season, and let's make the most of 2025. So have a good rest of the day, guys. Enjoy.